Good freaking morning. It's 3 a.m. here in Romania, and I'm about to pick up a friend, then drive to the airport, which is about 150 kilometers away. I guess that's 110 miles, if I'm not wrong. And then we're going to fly to Bucharest for a cybersecurity event. Now, this is a 2 day cybersecurity conference, and they have Capture the Flag Challenges, CTFs, and my friend is going to participate in the main one, in the main event. So this is called the Defcamp. It's Defcamp 2018. And they also have technical talks on cybersecurity and machine learning and malware analysis, which I'm most excited about, even though right now all I can think of is like dozing off. So I decided to take you along the way with me. Let's go! This is the venue. It's not like Caesar's Palace in Vegas, but it's decent, I would say. Now, the first talk that I attended was on fraudulent mobile applications. It was somewhat interesting, but the next one is going to be more interesting because it's on privilege escalation from the perspective of a penetration tester. So it's on Windows privilege escalation. So I'm looking forward to it. So I left the venue for lunch break, and I actually didn't have any lunch yet. I just had a cup of coffee. I'm not sure if you can see me well. I quit coffee about a year ago, but I have it every now and then, maybe every couple of weeks or so. So a friend told me that they actually, we talked on the phone, and he told me that they actually have an all-you-can-eat buffet there, and they serve chicken and also beef. I'm not too excited about chicken, but I told him to actually save me like 2 portions of beef, so I'm gonna check it out. So I had 3 of those convenient lunch boxes, out of which I didn't touch the mashed potatoes or the vegetables. I actually cherry-picked the beef from it, and probably in total there was like maybe 150 to 200 grams of beef, so it wasn't much, but it was good. So now time to get back to the talks. Right now there's a talk on weaponization of neural networks, so I'm about to see it.
The main takeaway is that you can do it yourself, and it's pretty easy. And this POC was made on JavaScript, but this technique we are partly never programming. You can use it in Python, you can use it in C. So imagine that if you're going to make a malware that's going to call its code from a neural network, and when you're doing the classic reverse engineering of malware, maybe you're going to put in a debugger, maybe everything is going to be in plain text, or you actually have to unpack your malware. Well, that's never going to.
So instead of attending talks, we spent the last couple of hours trying to break into an ATM machine, and that was really fun. And now we're actually gonna go, or I'm actually gonna go to the Airbnb and try to kind of close it in for today and get back here tomorrow for a new day of probably mostly gonna spend it or at least half of it is going to be spent on the CTF platform, and probably I'll also attend a couple of talks. So yeah. Hours and 45 minutes of sound sleep. That's what actually happens when you're super extremely tired. And my hair is messy. So yesterday we went on, or we appeared on national television prime time. So we have our 2 seconds of freaking fame. Now anyway, joking aside, there's a long day ahead of us, so we're probably gonna do, I'm probably gonna do, so my friend is gonna be all day at the Hacking Village. I'm gonna be there for a couple of hours, and I'm also gonna attend 2 or 3 talks, and I might also meet a friend who lives here, so looking forward to everything.
6 again. The binary is being unpacked through a custom hacker, and we unpacked it, and we did see cryptographic imports right here in strings. We didn't even have to go through PE's video. Crypt encrypt, crypt acquired context, crypt derived key, everything in the destroy key, which is not so good for the people who actually just got their files encrypted. So you're kind of like locking the key and then just destroying it. So that's not funny. Run the tools that we just saw, fake DNS and INET. See the requests that are going in and out. And maybe you can actually know what is happening, the entire walkthrough, the entire cycle, and you'll be able to at least write a report and say, oh, this malware does 1, 2, 3 because of this imports, because of that packer, because of this and that. And you'll be able, if you're working for an IPS, you'll be able to extract signatures. Maybe you can put it into your network's IPS so that it can detect such a thing. And thank you so much for listening.
I'm super excited because I just came out of a talk and I got some solid information on a couple of techniques for reverse engineering and malware analysis. Now, the conference is kind of finished. I mean, there are 1 or 2 more talks which I'm not super interested about. What we're gonna do is to actually head to a place and get something to eat, and then we're just slowly gonna move towards the airport, because our flight actually leaves at at 9 p.m. Then we're gonna have to drive all the way back home. I'm gonna have to drive all the way back home, so I'm gonna probably gonna hit home sometime after midnight, maybe I guess 2 a.m. So anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.